Hello friends, last lecture up to 10 over, okay, exercise miscellaneous exercise number 9 and 1 to 10 sums over, okay. Now 11 to 18 and example number 24 to 28, it means 5 examples and 8 sums left, whatever, in this our chapter number 9, okay. So let's start with the question 11. Particular but initial condition is given. And find the general solution and then find C by using this condition and put the value of C and get the answer. And answer is a particular solution. So x minus y dx plus dy equal to dx minus dy. So definitely we have to multiply both the brackets, then dx one time, dy one time, then separate, okay. So x multiplies, so x dx plus x dy minus y dx minus y dy equal to dx minus dy. Now dy all left side and dx other side, okay. So x dy minus y dy x dy minus y dy plus dy equal to dx minus x dx plus y dx. Now dy common, so bracket x minus y plus 1 dy equal to dx common, so 1 minus x plus y and dx. Here separation of dy and dx not possible. Dy side x and y combine, dx side x and y combine, okay. So here is the problem, okay. So can we make this both brackets same, like taking the minus common, so bracket x minus y minus 1 and dx. Now we have three methods. Number one method, separate dy and dx and then take both the side integration, but condition dy side whole term y and dx side whole term x, so integration possible. But dy side not whole term y, dy side y and x mix, same dx side x and y mix, so direct separation method not possible. So next method, homogeneous method, y by x or x by y, तो सिंगल टाइम y और सिंगल टाइम x नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर हम यहाँ पर dy by dx करें तो ये ब्रैकेट डाउन साइड होगा, ओके. बट प्रॉब्लम कि इफ यू डिवाइड x तो यहाँ पर 1 by x हो जाएगा, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, बराबर. एंड लास्ट लीनियर, तो डबल टाइम x एंड डबल टाइम y, इट मींस लीनियर मेथड आल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. तो आउट ऑफ दिस थ्री मेथड्स no methods are possible. तो check the bracket x minus y plus 1, x minus y minus 1. So in both the bracket x minus y common or not? X minus y is common. So meaning first subject the dy and dx. dy by dx equal to minus x minus y minus 1 upon x minus y plus 1. चलो एक याद करो, बीच में हमने एक सम किया था, मुझे याद तो नहीं है कि वो सम कौन सा था. तो वहां पर हमने x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू टी सपोज किया था. मैंने आपको बोला भी था कि आई थिंक एक या दो सम है ना वो एक्सरसाइज में आपको मिलेगा, बट पर्टिकुलर मेथड है वो कोई भी एक्सरसाइज में नहीं है. 9.1 2 3 4 5 6, ओके. तो हमने यहाँ पर देख लिया कि डायरेक्ट सेपरेशन नॉट पॉसिबल, y by x और x by y not possible, linear definitely not possible. So all the methods are not possible. Then what is the method to solve this sum? तो method is, दोनों में x minus y common है, हाँ, -1 and +1 different, but x minus y common, okay, तो take x minus y equal to t. Now taking x minus y equal to t. Now here dy by dx. So with respect to x derivation, 1 minus dy by dx and equal to dt by dx. Now we have dy by dx. So dy by dx other side and dt by dx other side. So dy by dx equal to 1 minus dt by dx. Okay? So putting all data in our term, so dy by dx is a 1 minus dt by dx. Minus n bracket. X minus y is t, so t minus 1 upon t plus 1. Okay, now dt by, subject the dt by dx. dt by dx taking other side. So 1 plus t minus 1 upon t plus 1 equal to dt by dx. Therefore, dt by dx, here t plus 1 LCM. So t plus 1 plus t minus 1 upon t plus 1. Therefore, dt by dx equal to 1 1 cancel. T plus t 2t upon t plus 1. Okay. So in this term, no x term. So dt and dx separate, dx other side and t term other side. Okay. 2 as it is. 2 transfer नहीं करना है. t plus 1 upon t. t plus 1 upon t and dt. 2 and dx other side. Alright, now taking integration both the sides. So integration t plus 1 upon t dt 2 integration dx. So only t downside, so t separate, 1 plus 1 upon t dt and 2 integration dx. How simple? Integration of 1 with respect to t is a t plus 1 by t is a log t equal to 2x and plus cn. Must put the value of t and then use the initial condition. T is a x minus y. X minus y plus log x minus y equal to 2x plus c. Okay. Taking x minus y other side. So log x minus y equal to 2x minus x plus y plus c. Now putting x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 1. Putting x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. X 0 and y minus 1. X 0, y minus 1, so minus minus plus 1. 0 plus 1 is a 1. Log 1 equal to x 0, y minus 1 plus c. Log 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 plus c. 1 take other side, so c equal to 1. Okay. Putting the value of c in equation number 1. C equal to 1. Putting the value of c in equation number 1. So log x minus y. X plus y plus 1. कई सारे आंसर पॉसिबल है. Like we can use here log e, then log other side, and remove log to other term e raised to, and here also removing directly log to other term e raised to. तो x minus y equal to e raised to x plus y. ये भी लिख सकते हो आप, बराबर. बट अभी हम यहां पर लिखते हैं, ठीक है. चलो, दिस इज अवर आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. डन. चलो फ्रेंड, नंबर 12 IMP सम. e raised to minus 2 root x upon root x minus y upon root x dx by dy and equal to 1. So definitely here homogeneous means y by x by y method not possible. Directly separation also not possible. Here subtraction and x and y combine. तो होमोजेनियस नहीं, पर लीनियर हम देख सकते हैं. लीनियर y वन टाइम. तो एक काम क्या करते हैं हम पहले, फर्स्ट टेकिंग द अदर साइड. dx by dy equal to 1 upon our bracket e raised to minus 2 root x upon root x minus y upon root x. तो ऑल्सो वी नो दैट कि dx by dy वो नहीं देखना है आपको, x वन टाइम और y वन टाइम, y वन टाइम. तो डेफिनेटली y वन टाइम तो लीनियर याद करो 9.6 मेथड, y वन टाइम तो dy by dx. ओके, तो रेसिप्रोकल 1 upon bracket means only bracket okay, 1 upon to reciprocal bracket upside. Done. Now dy by dx, then y fixed, so y term taking other side. dy by dx plus y upon root x equal to e raised to minus 2 root x upon root x. Okay. Hello, next work. P of x and Q of x. Method number 1. Coefficient of y 1 upon root x. And Q of x e raised to minus 2 root x upon root x. Next work, IF. E raised to integration P of x dx. Okay. What is P of x? 1 upon root x. One upon root x. Integration how to find? So downside x power 1 by 2. So upside x raised to minus 1 by 2. dx. Now integration e raised to if equal to e raised to 1 power increase divide by power. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. It means x raised to 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. E raised to x raised to 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. So, answer of IF e raised to 2 into root x or not, 2 upside, and x raised to 1 by 2 means root x. Okay? Alright, IF ready now. Solution. Y one time or x one time? Y one time is case number 1 solution. Y into e raised to integration p of x dx equal to integration 2 terms q of x e raised to integration p of x dx whole dx. Therefore y, this term is answer is e raised to 2 root x. Q of x e raised to minus 2 root x upon root x into this term e raised to 2 root x. Are this both the term cancel or not? Base same, so addition of power 2 root x minus 2 root x cancel, it means 1. So y e raised to 2 root x, here left only 1 upon root x. Means x power minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now 1 power increase, divide by power. So x raised to 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. Y e raised to 2 root x plus c. 2 root x plus c. So no initial condition. So this is our final answer. Okay. Are we done? So this is our question number 12. और नेक्स्ट वन नंबर 13. चलो ये तो आप इजीली डिसाइड कर सकते हो. dy by dx, y fix, cot x, other side all x, तो p of x and q of x, case number 1 method. Now directly arrangement is ready. p of x, cot x, q of x, 4x, cosec x. Next work if e raised to integration p of x dx, e raised to integration cot x, e raised to log mod sin x. It means answer is sin x. Next work solution. Case number 1, y into e raised to integration p of x dx equal to integration two terms q of x e raised to integration p of x dx whole dx. Y into e raised to integration is answer sin x. Q of x 4x cosec x into sin x dx. So y into sin x, cosec x into sin x cancel, only 4x dx. So y into sin x equal to 4x square by 2 plus c. So y into sin x equal to 2x square plus c. Now putting x equal to pi by 2 and y equal to 0 in equation number 1. So y 0, तो लेफ्ट साइड 0, 2x square, तो 2 into pi square by 4 and plus c. Pi square by 2, तो c equal to minus pi square by 2. Okay. And now putting the value of c in equation number 1. y into sin x equal to 2x square minus pi square by 2. चलो दिस इज अवर फाइनल आंसर. ओके, यहाँ पर कोई अरेंजमेंट हमें नहीं करना है क्योंकि अरेंजमेंट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते यहाँ पर. ओके, दिस इज अवर आंसर ऑफ नंबर 13. डन. हेलो, नेक्स्ट वन नंबर 14. x plus 1 dy by dx equal to 2 e raised to minus y and minus 1. So x plus 1 means x term and this all y term. So this method is directly separate and both these side take the integration. Like dy side all y. So 1 upon 2 e raised to minus y minus 1 dy equal to 1 upon x plus 1 dx. Our separation is ready, taking both the sides, integration. So integration 1 upon 2 e raised to minus y minus 1 dy integration 1 upon x plus 1 dx. Problem is in right side, right part integration. Right no, sorry, left side. Left side integration. Right side is easy. 1 upon x plus 1 is log mod x plus 1. तो right side, left side क्या करें? So first one 1 upon, this is 2 upon e raised to y, right? And minus 1 dy 1 upon x plus 1 dx. E raised to y LCM and upside. So e raised to y upon 2 minus e raised to y dy 1 upon x plus 1 dx. चलो अभी क्या करें? e raised to y डेरिवेशन इज e raised to y dy. तो e raised to y इक्वल टू टेकिंग t. So e raised to y dy 1 dt. और putting all data in our term. E raised to y dy equal to 1 dt and 2 minus t equal to 1 upon x plus 1. Or both the integrations are easy. 1 upon 2 minus t power 1 whole power 1 log mod denominator. So log mod 2 minus t and do not forget to put the coefficient of t downside which is minus 1 equal to log mod x plus 1 and this is an initial, so just putting the c or minus and putting the t is a e raised to y log 2 minus e raised to y log x plus 1 and plus c. And x and y both 0, putting in equation number 1. Putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in equation number 1. Or minus log bracket 2 minus y 0, any power 0 is 1. Log x 0, so only 1 and plus c minus log 1 equal to log 1 plus c. Log 1 is 0. 0 plus c, so c equal to 0. Or putting the value of c in equation number 1 minus log 2 minus e raised to y equal to log x plus 1 and c is 0. Now directly we cannot remove this log because here log negative, so first make the power and then log cancel. So log 2 minus e raised to y whole power minus 1 equal to log x plus 1. Log cancel. So this is 1 upon 2 minus e raised to y equal to x plus 1. ओके, चलो तो ये भी लिख सकते हैं हम कि 2 minus e raised to y into x plus 1 and equal to 1. ओके, चलो ये था आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. 15 इज लेंदी, यहां पर नहीं आएगा, तो टेकिंग द नंबर 16 and which is MCQ. ओके, सिंपल MCQ है y dx minus x dy upon y equal to 0. तो भाई हमने y यहां पर क्यों लिखा है? पता है आपको कि y अदर साइड 0. ओके, ऑलवेज राइट द dy लेफ्ट साइड, तो x dy equal to y dx. चलो, this is a sum about separation method. dy side y, so 1 by y dy and 1 by x dx. Taking both the side integration. One by y log y equal to log x plus log c. So log y equal to log cx. Log cancel and y equal to cx. I'll check the options. Check in your book A, B, C, D. What is the option for this sum? Number 16. Y equal to cx. Option number C. Y equal to cx. Done. तो बीच में 15 बाकी है. 15, 17, 18. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम वो 15 ले लेते हैं. बराबर. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट नंबर 15 and mark this sum very most time की sum. एंड आपने 9.4 और 4 में कर लिया ये सम. सेम ऐसा ही है. चलो, द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ए विलेज increases at the rate of proportional to the number of its inhabitants present at any time. तो यहां से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. Then data, if the population of the village was 20,000 in 1999 and 25,000 in 2004, so what will be the population of the village in 2009? बराबर. तो फर्स्ट वन हम सपोज क्या करेंगे, पॉपुलेशन. बराबर. लेट P be the population at time t. Now we are given that the population increases at the rate proportional to number of its inhabitants. Present at any time. So population means P, and population increases means dP by dt proportional to the number of its inhabitants, means number of population at that time. So what is the population P? So proportional to the population P. Okay. Now removing proportional, so other side constant. So dP by dt इक्वल टू Kp. अब अभी तो आपको पता है कि फर्स्ट टेक द इंटीग्रेशन, नहीं सेपरेट एन इंटीग्रेशन, तो 1 by P dP K dt, taking both the side integration. So 1 by P dP K integration dt. And 1 by P is log P KT plus C. Equation number 1. Okay. Here constant K, तो एक जनरल लाइन होगी क्वेश्चन में. If the population of the village was 20,000 in 1999. चलो जो अब हम कभी भी कोई कैलकुलेशन करे लाइक कि इन दिस ईयर दिस इज द पॉपुलेशन, देन आफ्टर दिस, आफ्टर 5 years 10 years पॉपुलेशन इज दिस, बराबर. तो जहां से आप स्टार्ट करोगे वो आपकी क्या होगी? इनिशियल कंडीशन. इनिशियल कंडीशन मीन्स टाइम इज 0. यहां पर स्टार्टिंग कहां से? 1999. ओके. तो इन 1999, in the year 1999, time 0 and population is 20,000. चलो ये लाइन आपको याद रखनी है. स्टार्टिंग मीन्स इनिशियल, दिस इज अ स्टार्टिंग. इन दिस सम व्हाट इज द बिगिनिंग? 1999. तो बिगिनिंग मीन्स टाइम 0, पॉपुलेशन 20,000. ओके. चलो पुटिंग डेटा इन इक्वेशन 1. So log 20,000 equal to 0 plus C. T is 0, तो 0 plus C. It means C equal to log 20,000. मैंने आपको बोला है कि what is the use of initial to find the value of C. 9.4 में हमने बोला था, बराबर. और putting the value of C in equation 1. Therefore, log P equal to KT plus C, and C is log 20,000. Hello, log combine. Log P minus log 20,000 equal to KT. Log and subtraction, so division. P upon 20,000 equal to KT. Okay. So P upon 20,000 equal to E raised to KT. This is our equation number 2 and main equation. Now 25,000 in 2004. Okay. अब तो in 2004 means what is the time? 1999 means T equal to 0. So 2004 means T equal to 5. कर लो कैलकुलेट. 1999 to 2004, 5 years. What is the population P? 25,000. Or putting in equation number 2. So P equal to 25,000. Upon 20,000 equal to E raised to 5K. 3 times 0 cut. 25 upon 20 divide by 5. तो 5/4, 5 5 जा 5 4 जा equal to e raised to 5k. We need the value of k. So taking both the side, log 5/4 equal to log e raised to 5k. So log 5/4 equal to 5k. So k equal to 5 other side. So 1/5 log 5/4. This is the value of k. जब भी हमें यूज करना है तो तब हम यूज करेंगे. k हमने फाइंड कर लिया. Now in what will be the population of the village in 2009? Means when t equal to 10. Okay. So in 2009 time is 10, then what is the population? This is our question. Are putting in equation 2. Equation number 2 is P upon 20,000 equal to e raised to kt. Okay. चलो, so P is a P तो फाइंड करना है अपॉन 20,000 equal to e raised to kt. T is 10, so 10k. और again taking both the sides, log. Okay. तभी 10 के आगे आएगा, k हम पुट अप करेंगे, बराबर. अदरवाइज एक काम करते हैं, we can arrange here e raised to 5k, right? We can arrange e raised to 5k. P upon 20,000 so this is e raised to 5k whole square or not? तो मार्क दिस इज ए नंबर 3. हाँ, k हमें फाइंड कर लिया, बट k का कोई यूज नहीं है. डायरेक्टली वी आर यूजिंग e raised to 5 के वैल्यू 5/4. ओके. चलो, तो p by 20,000 equal to 5/4 whole square. And from equation number 3, directly e raised to 10k is e raised to 5k whole square. Okay. चलो, तो P by 20,000, 5 square 25, 4 square 16. So P equal to 25 into 20,000 upon 16. Okay. चलो, तो अपॉन 16 है. पहले एक काम करते हैं, 20,000 by 16 करके चेक करते हैं कि पॉसिबल है कि नहीं. $20,000 divided by 16 or 1250, and 1250 into 25, 31250. चलो, टेक्स्ट बुक में एक बार आंसर वेरीफाई कर लेते हैं कि राइट है कि नहीं. 31250 डन. वही मेथड है, बट एक टाइम जो हमारा था कि स्टार्ट जहां से हो रहा है, इफ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द विलेज वाज 20,000 इन 1999, तो 1999 इज आवर इनिशियल बिगिनिंग व्हेन टाइम 0. देन आफ्टर 1999, देन ईयर 2004, तो 1999 to 2004 टाइम 5 years. Then 2009 time total 10 years. What is the population? So this is your population. Done? चलो, ये था आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, which is over. Okay. चलो, तो now we will meet in our next lecture. 15 and 16 भी हमने कर लिया. Now 17 and 18 and miscellaneous illustration. 5 illustration. Total I think 7 sums left. Okay. जाओ.